Salut, bonjour. J'ai une activité très facile pour vous aujourd'hui. Il y a une petite paragraphe. Oui, and you are going to highlight or surligner. It wants to correct it to souligner, which means underline. That's not what I want you to do. So always be careful when you're trusting either Google Translate or Google Docs, because that's not what I want to say. I don't want you to underline it. I want you to highlight it. Oui? So surligne, highlight on it. All right, so I'm going to read you this paragraph. So you're going to listen closely. You're going to follow along as I read it. And then you're going to go through and you're going to find the verbs. Oui? Like, for example, there's play. Highlight the word for play because that's a verb, an action. Oui? All right, so follow along. Start right at the beginning where it says aujourd'hui. So here we go. You ready? Écoutez. Aujourd'hui, je fais beaucoup de choses avec ma famille. Je prépare les crêpes pour le petit déjeuner et nous mangeons les crêpes avec du sucre et des fraises. Après ça, je regarde un match de football américain au stade avec mon fils. Nous mangeons à Susie's World après le match. Je joue au tennis avec une amie à 13h. Fantastique. À la maison, j'étudie avec mon fils et nous jouons à Jenga aussi. Mes fils finissent ses devoirs et nous dînons ensemble dans la cuisine. Dîner is to dine, which is to eat dinner. Oui? Who are mon fils or mes fils? Obviously, the story is about ma famille, and as many of you know, enfant is kids, fille is daughter, mon fils is my son. Oui? And down here, that's one, mon fils. It always ends in an S. It's one of those weird words. Mes fils. So when it's my sons, I don't have to add an extra S to the end. There's already one there, but that would look weird. All right. So you're going to go through. This is a paragraphe très facile. Oui? And all you're going to do is highlight the verb. So, aujourd'hui, je fais beaucoup de choses. I'm doing a lot of things. So there we go. And highlight. I don't care what color you highlight it. Oui, je fais beaucoup de choses. Je prépare. Right, you're going to go through and you're going to pick all of them. Oui? And then you're going to come down here and you are going to list the verbs. I also want the subject. So I'm going to change this to list the subjects. Oh, look at that fun spelling. The subject and verbs. And I'll fix the anglais, the français, oui? So here's the modèle. The first one was fait. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to list. Je fais means I'm doing. Today I'm doing a lot of things with my kids. All of this is in the present tense. Oui? Le présent. Oui? Okay. Très bien fait. Facile. That's all you have to do aujourd'hui. But please do it. Do it well. Actually think about it. We've only got probably about 10 more lessons to do. So I need you to put your effort into every single lesson. Me? All right. One more time. I really want you to go through and make sure you understand this paragraph. I'm not making you translate it or anything like that. C'est très facile. Oui, this is vocab we already all know that we use all the time. It's talking about my day. And then you're just going to be listing the subjects and the verbs because we're getting ready to start looking at subjects and verbs in the passé composé. We're going to take it really easy with the past tense. You will need to know it moving into French next year. In French 2, you'll get it taught to you almost completely all over again. But if you want to get a striking A+, you might as well just focus in on it now. So next year, it's not so scary. Oui? All right, mesdames et messieurs, merci beaucoup. We will be having meets on Thursdays and Friday this week. So do this, and then we're going to continue with the vocabulaire, and we're going to be taking these verbs and moving them into the passé composé. All right, merci beaucoup. Ciao.